Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing the part 2 of my watermelon bracelet. So this is what the pattern looks like. I filmed this video a few months ago and then I accidentally deleted the footage before I could edit it, and I'm a bit mad about it, but I just went ahead and refilmed it for you guys and now we're back, so yay! This is on the advanced side. It's a pretty simple and short pattern, but you do need to know how to do the 4 different kinds of knots to make this bracelet. And this is the pattern I am using. It's number 25477 on bracelet book, and it's added by Goldie 6410 on bracelet book. So thank you to Goldie for giving us this pattern, I guess. So yeah, let's just get into the video. To make this bracelet, you are going to need some embroidery floss, and you're going to need to pick out 5 different colors: a dark green, a light green, white, red, and black. Now we're going to cut the strings to make this bracelet, so we're going to start with the dark green, and you're just going to cut a wingspan's length of the dark green thread and go ahead and fold that in half. Now for the light green thread, using the dark green that's folded in half, you're going to cut 1 string that is the length of your wingspan length dark green thread that's folded in half. So the light green is going to be like half your wingspan's length. And it's going to be the same for the white thread. You're going to cut 1 string that is the length of half your wingspan, or the wingspan length string folded in half. And it's the same for the black thread. You're going to cut 1 string that is the length of half your wingspan, or the length of your wingspan length string folded in half. A lot of words, but yeah. Setting that pile of strings aside, we're going to bring in our red thread, and you're going to start by cutting 2 strings that are a wingspan's length and go ahead and fold those in half. And now with those 2 strings that are wingspan's length that are folded in half, you're going to cut 1 more string that is the length of your wingspan length strings folded in half. So in total you should have 5 strings that are red. Now just group your pile of red strings with the pile of all of our other strings that we cut, and go ahead and just start this bracelet however you want. I have more in-depth videos that are linked in the description box if you do not know how to start a bracelet. Alrighty, so once your bracelet is started, this is how your strings should be set up. It goes dark green, light green, white, red, red, black, red, red, red. This is a 1-2 pattern, so I'm going to go ahead and pair up my strings, keeping them in the same order that they're supposed to be in. Going from left to right, my first 3 pairs are going to be forward, backward knots. And my final 2 pairs are going to be backward knots. For the second row, I'm going to leave out my outer 2 strings and repair all my other strings. And this entire row is going to be forward, backward knots. For my third row, I'm going to bring back in my outer 2 strings and include those in my pairs. My first 3 pairs are going to be forward, backward knots. And my final 2 pairs are going to be forward knots. And for the fourth and final row, I'm going to be leaving out my outer 2 strings and not including those in my pairs. My first 2 pairs are going to be forward-backward knots. And then my final 2 pairs are going to be backward-forward knots. And that is this entire bracelet, so just go ahead and bring your outer strings back in and just repeat this bracelet from row 1 until it is long enough to fit around your wrist. And also, if both strings in one of your pairs are the same color like these 2 here, you can do any knot you want. It does not matter what I say to do or what the pattern says to do. You can do whatever you want because the strings are the same color, so the knot will come out the same every single time. Alright guys, so that was the tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. And like I showed you guys in the beginning, this is how the bracelet comes out. I love to see your guys' creations, so if you do make this bracelet or any of the other bracelets that I've done videos on, I would love to see what you guys make. So if you do make this and you want to post it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and I will check it out. And I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.